Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Today guys we probably will take a look at the Canadian dollar since it's passed a lot of time since we have taken a look at it, and if you remember our recent discussion, probably maybe not our analysis that we have prepared in the beginning of the July, this was mostly based on the nicely looking bullish engulfing pattern that has been formed on the monthly chart. So here you see the monthly chart of the Canadian dollar, and this is the foundation of our analysis that we have prepared. As you can see, this engulfing pattern stands at very significant support. This is confidence support. It's 2750, 2970 area on the monthly chart. So it's really strong support area, and yearly pivot point stands also very close to it. So this was really simple trading of this engulfing. All that we would like to get from the market is just some upward continuation based on this pattern. So this probably should be some kind of the ABCD pattern on the intraday charts. But since market hasn't quite formed the clear patterns at that moment, we said, well, maybe this will be the butterfly to the upside, maybe something else. But market turning to some kind of the range trading, so it was no fast breakout of the area that we have specified. That's why we have abandoned discussion of the Canadian dollar for some time. But right now, probably we could return back because it seems that market's starting to show better signs of the possible upward action. Also, guys, I would like to show you the daily chart of the crude oil. By the way, based on the crude oil, it was interesting. We are mostly watching for weekly chart, so we can see market making these harmonic retracements. As soon as this retracement has been completed, so almost the same as here, so the times of the slope in terms of the slope and the distance, so almost the same. And market has turned down to the downward retracement. We said that if even market will show the 3 minor support retracement to the nearest supports, approximately 42.50, 43 area. In this case, that will be enough to complete on the Canadian dollar our target. So now, if you will take a look at the daily chart of the crude oil, you will see the market is forming here some grabbers. Bearish grabbers has been formed yesterday and day before, so it means that market probably will take it out of these lows. That will be already somewhere around 46 area. So after that, some early downward acceleration could happen. But this gives us a very nice opportunity and confidence that if even we will not get what we would like to, we will be able to protect our position with the break-even stop loss. Because if crude oil will drop, the Canadian dollar also will drop, and if even market will not hit the target that we would like to get, so at least we will be able to turn our trade to the riskless. So that's why the analysis of the crude oil is also important. You can see how this has happened before. So here market has formed grabbers, drop, taken out of these lows. Again, retracement. Here's again the grabbers, drop, taken out of these lows. Right now again, grabbers are forming. So that's why maybe it currently is not bad moment for thinking about taking the long position in Canadian pair. If you'll take a look at the daily chart, we'll see a very similar picture to this one, but in the opposite direction. So on the daily chart, what we have, that is our engulfing pattern on the monthly chart. Usually when engulfing forms, the market shows to move into its target by some kind of the ABCD pattern based on the engulfing itself and some minor retracement back in the body of the engulfing. This usually happens. So that's why here is our A, B, C bottom. D pattern stands at 133 area. I also would like to tell you that 133 area is the major fib resistance on the weekly chart. So this will be also agreement resistance, so that will be strong resistance area, and that's why this probably will be our target. So in the weekly chart, you could see that this is 133.11, 3 resistance from the whole move down. So the weekly chart. So that's why we probably should not watch for any further targets by far, and be focused just on this area. Also, guys, this is our prediction. When we have prepared the analysis last time, we think that we thought that market will turn immediately to the upper direction. But before this has happened, market has shown this action, this minor retracement. Here, guys, as you can see, that is a bit not definite shape of the butterfly. You could draw it as I do this, but as you can see, it's a lot of different swings inside of it. It's difficult to call it as the butterfly purely. So, but still, I think that we could treat it as the butterfly. Also, it's a very important moment here on the daily Canadian dollar is that take a look. This is some kind of the some sort of the maybe bullish dynamic pressure, because take a look. After each drop out from this resistance area, market shows smaller and smaller retracement down. It means that pressure from the downside to the upside, bullish pressure, is growing. That's why here with this high bottoms, I see it's the bullish sign, and I think that it's really could lead to the breakout to the upside here. So that being said, a daily chart lets us to estimate the possible target. I think that we should be focused somewhere on the 33, maybe 34 area, slightly lower, and just take a look. 33, 33.70, 33.25 area. So that will be our target on the daily chart. On the hourly chart, guys, you could see how maybe it will be chance to take the long position here. So you can see that here market right now has completed A, B, C bottom, 100% extension targets, forming here as minor butterfly. Maybe this will trigger some minor retracement down. If this really will happen, we could watch for this area. This will be very nice support. Let's take a look. 129.80, 129.85. It's confluence support on the hourly chart. And also this will be the weekly pivot point. The market already has passed through it. It's moving to the upside, could retest it and then continue move high. This is really possible. So that's our current view on the market. It seems that Canadian dollar is really starting to move in a direction that we have discussed a couple of weeks ago. Here, at least currently, we see the brighter signs and more confidence that really should happen. That's why we probably should watch for this most recent upward direction with the attempt to catch some retracement when it will happen, and make an attempt for possible taking the long position. So at least it seems that based on the picture that we see on the daily chart, it seems that's logical decision on the Canadian dollar and situation on the Canadian dollar. So let's see what we will get.